Back to the markets, please. We're falling even further. Look at this. Down 804 points on the Dow Industrials, that is 1.6%. Down 82 points on the S&P 500, that is 1.1%. Down 314 points on the Nasdaq, that is down 1.3%. We need Jason Katz to cover the market for us this morning, and here he is. I've been saying all morning that this red ink is the result of tariff turmoil. Am I right?
Yeah. I mean, New York's not the only place getting snow. We have an economic blizzard as a result of what's transpired. So the bad news is companies now can't really game out their supply chains, their pricing, their capital expenditures until we get a better handle on the legal boundaries here. On the other hand, the ruling effectively means we're not going to get Liberation Day 2.0. Markets now know we can't see tariffs extend beyond the 15%. So near-term volatility, yes, but structurally, clearer limits on executive powers on tariffs actually reduces systemic risk. So basically, think of it this way, Stu. These tariffs act as a modest tax cut, modestly boosting GDP. But at the same time, we're going to see our deficit widening as a result of not getting the tax revenue from the tariffs.
Don't seem to want to make any progress overall, do we? It just seems to churn, I'm afraid. Can you identify any good news that comes out of this tariff turmoil?
Well, again, the good news is we have this cap at 15%. Yep. We no longer could get a 50% Liberation 2.0 sledgehammer that could really upend businesses. Businesses have been able to deal and navigate the tariffs and absorb some, pass some on. They couldn't do that April of last year. Now they can.
I guess that's good news of sorts. Why do you like cybersecurity stocks at this particular moment?
I mean, they have been wearing the black eye for the AI disruption trade. The sector's down, what, 20%?
Yep.
And cyber really shouldn't be disrupted. In fact, they should benefit. When you're coding on AI, it's not secure. Last year, ransomware was up 50%. So AI is growing data exponentially, 30% a year. That data needs to be stored. It needs to be protected. And every public and private company, every government, university, hospital, it's a prerequisite for them to spend on cybersecurity. They should be benefiting from AI disruption, not wearing the black eye for it. It's an entry point for the sector now.
Good. Jason, thank you very much for joining us today. It's an
interesting
day, and I'm glad you're here for it. Thanks a lot, man.